This is a movie about photosynthesis. If you were to ask a kid how to grow a plant, they would probably say something along the lines of, get a cup of dirt, add some water, place it in the sunlight, and then plant. Wow. But as the kid gets older, this explanation probably becomes less sufficient. The question of how to grow a plant gives birth to the question of, how do plants grow? It has something to do with this word that has a lot of letters. Yes, photosynthesis. So now it's time to dig even deeper. What is photosynthesis? Where does it take place? First, let's look at the chloroplast, an organelle found in plant cells that has numerous components, most important of which are the thylakoids. Okay, so yay! Now we've expanded our vocabulary. But still, this explanation of photosynthesis is hardly sufficient for inquisitive minds like ours. So, why are the thylakoids important? One important component of the thylakoids are the photosystems. We have two, photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. Basically what happens is sunlight hits them, some things happen in between, and then boom! We have ATP, which is vital for the plant's survival. Turns out there are a lot more components to this whole photosynthesis thing than we previously thought. First, we have the thylakoid membrane. Then, hey, it's the photosystems 1 and 2 again, this time in their proper place embedded in the thylakoid membrane. Then, whoa, something new. Another protein complex between the two photosystems. Lastly, we have perhaps the most important component, ATP synthase, and a lot of other molecules as well. Wow, this process is so much more complicated than just adding water to a pot of dirt. Turns out that light is important for exciting the electrons in the photosystems. And the water is important because it replaces the electron that is excited and moved along the electron transport chain. This movement of electrons creates a proton gradient that makes it favorable for protons to move from the stroma to the lumen. And the transfer of electrons causes NAD+ to be reduced to NADPH. This then allows the protons to flow through the ATP synthase in order to phosphorylate ADP to ATP. Obviously, even the last explanation of photosynthesis barely scratches the surface, and we could continue to dig deeper and deeper into the underlying cellular processes of photosynthesis indefinitely. But I guess the takeaway is that we should never be satisfied with a simple explanation to a complex process, and we should never stop learning.